Why is the chemical industry rethinking its approach to quality in recent years? Quality in the chemical and agrochemical industries has always been mission-critical, but recent years have pushed it into sharper focus. With rising regulatory scrutiny, global supply chain risks, and increasing demand for transparency, companies are no longer treating quality as a box to check. Instead, they're embedding quality into every layer of operations, from procurement to production and distribution. What's interesting is how this evolution is being supported by structured frameworks like quality management systems, QMS. Such software have become less about control and more about visibility, accountability, and responsiveness. A well-integrated QMS doesn't just track compliance, it provides the data and context to make smarter, faster decisions. And in an industry where a single deviation can have environmental, legal, or safety consequences, that clarity is crucial. Ultimately, this shift is about creating a culture of quality that's proactive, not reactive.